Hey friends, I am at my newest listing, 2803 Madison Drive. It's on a beautiful cul-de-sac, and I wanted to share this home with you really quickly. Whether rain or shine, freezing cold or Cowboys game, I'm here to help my sellers get this house sold. So let me just show you around really quickly. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you how beautiful this home is. Okay. Look at this. It's so perfect. Such a cute little house. Let me show you inside. And I think the best part is the back patio. So come take a look and see what you guys think. Walk in, you've got real hardwood floors. You've got an office space. Lots of natural lighting. Really nice, cozy, little open concept living area, as well as kitchen with a nook. And really nice looking backyard, as well as good sized master. And we have the master bath with a large closet, as well as good sized shower as well. And before I leave you, I'm going to show you this gorgeous patio. So take a look and see what you think. Isn't this cute? It's the perfect place for entertainment.